Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change out the parking turn signal light housing in the front of your YJ. This should be the same on an 87 to like a 95 YJ. It isn't too hard to do, but if you weren't too sure what's involved in doing it, I figured I'd show you how to do it. But before we roll into that, remember, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of great content coming out all the time. You don't want to miss anything. Let's get rolling on this. Okay, so to remove the lens, there's two Phillips head screws. So you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. And they should come out pretty easily for you. Let's take that one out. You're going to want to remove that one. Then on the back, the socket twists and locks into place into the housing. There's a little clip right here. So take the clip, move it to the side, twist and pull out. And that's how the housing comes out. Then take your parking light turn signal housing. Take the socket, you're going to have to twist it. There's a few little indentations here. There are 3 of them. So what that allows you to do is to line this up. And remember that tip on the side. You have to press that in. That locks it in place. It's going to turn like that. And now it's locked in place. This little tip right here will allow it to stay locked in. So push it back in place. Then take your 2 Phillips head screws. Don't crank down on these because they can crack pretty easy. Just put enough pressure on the lens to hold it in place. Put the other one in. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure at all. It's easy to crack them. These things are never made out of the best plastic. That's all they are, is plastic. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do a quick and easy down and dirty video for you guys who might be that familiar with Jeeps or cars in general. Wanted to show you how to tackle this one. If you have any questions, totally leave us a comment. I'll reply back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I don't want you to really miss anything. There's a lot of great content coming out, and it helps us out too. So until next time, I'll see you later. Take it easy, guys.